Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 8. If 1 over y equal 1 over x minus 2, all of the following are true, except the keyword here is all of the following are true, but except. So they're asking for, we're looking for the false statement. Which one is false? So we noted that 1 over y equal 1 over x minus 2. The two fractions, one on the left hand side and another one on the right hand side, have the same numerators. And they are equal, so it means y have to be equal x minus 2. Okay, now we're checking on A. On A, we have y minus x equal 2. If we add x both sides, we will have y equal x plus 2. So this one is different from the y equal x minus 2. This is the true statement. The red one is the true statement. So A is false. Okay, now we look for B. We have y plus 2 equal x. So if we move everything to the right and isolate the y, we can subtract both sides by 2. And then on the left hand side we have y equal x minus 2. That is the true statement. Now we check on C. Y minus x equal minus 2. Now we isolate y by adding x both sides. On the left hand side we have y equal x minus 2 on the right hand side. And this is the true statement. Now we check on D. X minus y equal 2. I want to note this one is the same thing as we have 2 equal x minus y. And I want to isolate y, so I will subtract x both sides. Now I have minus y equal minus x plus 2. And now I multiply both sides by negative 1. So on the left hand side will be negative 1 times negative y is y. On the right hand side we have negative 1 times negative x is x. Negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2. And that gives me the true statement as well. The last one is E. X minus y minus 2 equals 0. So I want to isolate y. The same thing as I move y to the right hand side. Or I can rewrite this one as 0 equal x minus y minus 2. It's the same. So I add y both sides. On the right hand side we have x minus 2. On the left hand side we isolate y. So we still have the y equal x minus 2, and that's the true statement. So the only statement is false is with A, is A. So A is the answer choice we should choose. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.